Whispers of the dawn. A new day gently wakes the sky with hues of gold and rose on high. The world in quiet, soft repose awaits the sun's embrace and glows. The morning breeze, a tender sigh, as shadows flee and dark ships pass through fields of dew. The songbirds call, a chorus of life, a sweet enthrall. The mountains blush with morning light. As dreams recede with fading dight. The promise of a fresh new start, a whispered hope within the heart. In this still and glowing hour, we find a moment pure and pure with nature's grace. The day is drawn, and all our hopes rise with the dawn. Subscribe the channel